In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google My Business customer care. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account that actually manages your business profile. This is really important because if you're on the wrong account, you won't see the options you need. Once you're logged in, open your browser and go to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type your business name exactly as it appears on your Google business profile. When the results load, you should see your business appear, usually on the right-hand side or at the top with a special management panel. Because you're logged into the right account, you'll notice a row of editing options like editing your profile, reading reviews, and more. Look for the More Options icon in that management panel. This is often shown as 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Help and Support. As soon as you click that, a new web page dedicated to Google Business Profile Help will open in a new tab or window. On this help page, scroll all the way down toward the bottom. Take your time and make sure you don't miss it. Near the end of the page, you'll see a button or link labeled Contact Us. Click on that, and the page will reload with a more guided support experience. After the page refreshes, you'll be asked to select the specific business you need help with, which is especially useful if you manage multiple locations or profiles. Choose the correct business from the list. Next, you'll see a field where you can briefly describe your concern. Enter a clear and concise explanation of the issue you're facing, then click Next. Google will now show you a set of help articles and resources that might address your problem. It's worth scanning through these because many common issues can be solved quickly using these guides. If you find something useful, you can follow those instructions and you may not need to contact support directly. If the suggested resources don't solve your issue, click on Next Step. Here, you'll be asked to choose your preferred language and your mode of contact, which is usually email. After that, select the most relevant issue from the drop-down list so that your request goes to the right support team. When everything looks correct, click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully requested help from Google My Business customer care, and you can now wait for their response in your email inbox.